Hi, this is Keshav. I work as a Python trainer in PySpiders. This is one of my students. She got placed recently and she is going to share her experience.
Yes, thank you, sir. So my name is Bhoomika. I joined PySpiders in the month of July, and I'm a 2025 pass out, majoring in computer science and engineering from Sir Visvesvaraya Institute of Technology. So about my experience, if I had to tell in a simple manner, I would tell that the first thing would be the mocks and daily assessments which they give out to us majorly helped me out because through this I have gained my speaking confidence. I have overcome my stage fear and also I've gained strong technical and interpersonal skills through his guidance. So I have opted for Python full stack development in which Keshav Sir is handling Python. Apart from Keshav Sir, my other trainers were Vinod Sir and Selva Sir for SQL and Aptitude. I've completed all three courses. So it was a great experience learning from Keshav Sir. His patience and his fun lectures made me more. It brought my attention towards Python even much. So I would like to thank Keshav Sir and other trainers at this institute.
Okay, congratulations and I wish you all the
Thank
best.
you.
Okay.